Johnstown is like a village. You know, everyone sticks together here, and this town will give you an opportunity to be the best person you can be. When I first come here, I was, cutting grass and doing little favors, but I just wanted more.
Good morning.
At Carrie's Kitchen, we open our doors to all kinds, all walks of life. And when we cook with love.
Really good, nice and sweet.
We cook like we're cooking for our families. We do more to get more.
Looking good.
I'm excited for Intuit coming in, giving us the little push that we need to get financially stable. A lot of our children were leaving Johnstown, but a lot of them are staying now because of all the opportunities and the growth that's happening right now. We try to teach the children about respect, money management, some things that I didn't know about when I was younger, but I'm learning that it's very valuable. If you invest in our children, you invest in Johnstown, it comes back tenfold. So prosperity for me is community and people getting together. Where do you find yourself financially? And if everyone gets the paying forward type of mentality, this town will show the world how it's supposed to be done.